What's up, YouTube? Oop. I'm back with another video. Promised. Only promised, not nobody else. Oh, I'm looking. In my next video, I'm going to be doing how I do my hair. I swear. So, y'all. Should I do like this, y'all? Yeah. Hold on. Should I do like that? Yeah, whatever. So, I'm going to be eating 12 delicious eggs. I had 2 packs. I'm going to show you. I actually had 2. I had 2 because they was 50 cents a piece, boo-boo. I love every... Sorry. I wasn't talking to me. Anyways, y'all, I love when it's after a holiday and like the holiday contains candy because I love after holidays because guess what? Everything go on sale. Like on Christmas. After Christmas, that thing went to 25% off, to 50% off, to 75% off, to 90% off, to free. So this is 8, y'all. Let me show y'all this 8. I'll just trade it, y'all. So this is a new pack. It has like this on it and the other one. So nothing in here. Got this. These are chocolate eggs. So guess what? You guys gonna be needing some water. Don't put it right there. Some water. Let's fill it up all the way to the top. Hold on. Fill it up all the way to the top. Okay. So that's why like I have this little beautiful counter. So it's like marble and stuff. I'm gonna be setting up the eggs. Hold on. How y'all been doing with y'all allergies since it's spring? Comment. Or like this video if you got allergies. And also, if you guys like and also subscribe, I'll send you one of these for free because I have like a bunch in my room because they're only 50 cents. Like, so if you like, comment. No, not comment because I'm gonna turn the comments off. If you like this video and you comment and you also like, subscribe. I didn't mean to say comment. If you like and subscribe, I'll be sending you some of these eggs. So hold on, I want them all to be in the camera, so I'm gonna put them together. Okay, and then I'm gonna do like right here. Should I set a timer, y'all? I don't know. Should I? Maybe not. I'm gonna scoot y'all back a little bit. Too close. Yeah, too close. Hold on. Bop. Hold on. Yep, this. I'll send y'all 2 of these if y'all like and subscribe. Okay, should I tell the timer now? No. Let me get a sip of water before I start. I'm gonna do a story time about my fake friends. I'm sorry, I made my subtitle. Okay, so let's start. I was gonna do ASMR. I was like, no, I'm not doing ASMR. I do not like chocolate that much. I don't know why I got beat. Marshmallow good, so why not? I mean, okay, let's start. It's my friend named Emily. I'm gonna say the real name. Real name Emily. Another friend named Caleb. Emily and Caleb. And me, promise. We're all friends. We three group of girls. One day we chilling or whatever. Out of nowhere, I come to recess. They already at recess, right? Emily and Kayla already at recess. But I come around and they're running away from me. I'm like, what the heck? And then I try to go there one more time. They're still running away from me. And then guess what? I was like, okay, fine. You wanna run away? I'm gonna go talk to one of my friends. I'm talking to my friends. My other friends. Not my main friend. My main friends is Emily and Kayla. I'm not talking to them. I'm talking to this girl. I ain't gonna say her name. Shakira and Nathan. Shakira and Nathan, they my friends, right? But Emily and Kayla, my best friend. I started talking to oh crap! I almost said her real name. Emma and Shakayla, and we're playing or whatever at recess. I'm in 5th grade. We're playing or whatever at recess. And then out of nowhere, they come up to me saying I'm a fake friend, and then why am I not in their group right now? What? I just wanted to slap them so bad. They were just running away from me a second ago. Now they're saying I'm a fake friend because I want to go play with somebody else other than them. Say in the comments if that sounds stupid or not, because that sounds stupid. Like, who does that? No one. Like, that's so stupid. Seriously. Okay, so after they're like, oh, you're a fake friend, they grab me. Guys, hold on. They grab me by my arm. Grab me by my arm and take. It was about to be a wrestling match up in there. Grab me by my arm, no permission, nothing. Grab me by my arm, drag me to it's like these slides. It's like 3 slides and stuff. I'm not telling you what school I go to, but it's like these 3 slides or whatever. They grab me by my arm, pull me to the slide, and start yelling at me in front of everybody. Everybody looking over there, right? Looking all over there, right? And then these 2 come out and they're yelling at me. Now I look like the one that they call me, oh, you're a fake friend, you suck, you a fake friend, all that stuff. They call me names and stuff. Everybody looking at me like, wow, she's a fake friend. What kind of friend does that? What kind of friend goes to the bathroom and plays with their friend and start calling her names? I never did that, y'all. That was like making up stuff that I had did in the past. They was making it up, y'all. Well, one thing was true. I played a prank on her or whatever. That was the only thing that was true. They were saying stuff like, I've been looking under her bathroom stall. Weird, dumb crap. Everybody started hating me after that went down. Not gonna lie. Dang. You know my other friends that I had wanted to go talk to because Emma and Kayla were running away? They were still on my side. They knew that wasn't true because they with me all the time. And I don't go to the bathroom. I already told them that I don't go to the bathroom during school because I don't like their bathrooms. So they was always like, no, she not. She lying. She promised don't never go to the bathroom. Even though when I got a number 2, I wait until I get the freaking home. And then I took a number 2. It's not bad to hold your poop in, but I do it. I'm fine. I'm doing that since I've been in school. Oh, y'all want me to tell y'all the reason why I don't use bathrooms anymore? I'll tell y'all the reason why I don't want to use bathrooms right now. Okay, listen. Ew, hold on. Ew, that one tastes like soap. The reason why I don't use bathrooms, it was an incident that was so crazy, right? So I was in the bathroom. This was like in 3rd grade. Yeah, 3rd grade. 3rd grade. I was in 3rd grade. Went to the bathroom. It's like 4 bathrooms that are public in my school. I do not have a bathroom inside my classroom. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 or something that everyone can go to. I was in there, right? In the girls bathroom. I'm sure there's things that girls. I was in the girls' bathroom. Doing the do. I was doing my do. Mind my own business. Then this girl, she's like the bathroom monitor or whatever. This girl looks under the stall and see everything. 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 My booty, everything. My booty, my crotch, everything. Then she says, oops, my bad. Boy, we was about to do another wrestling match. Sorry, y'all. I don't like the chocolate. Like, it tastes weird. These in the front, they've been tasting the chocolate. I already done ate 2 of them that taste like chocolate. No, not chocolate. Soap. I'm getting sticky, y'all. I don't like this. Okay, anyways. Anyways, I am so mad that this girl looked under my stall without permission. Even if I did give her permission, who would want to look under the stall? Not me. I don't want to do that. It's weird. It's nasty. And now I told y'all, the thing was, I had told everybody in my school that she did it. And then people would start picking on her. And then I was like, oops, my bad. I just playing, y'all. I didn't say that. I wish. Okay. So I was like, oops. No, I did not say that. Dang, promise, stop trying to lie to your own fans. After that incident, people stopped calling her names and stuff. Like nasty girl, bathroom girl, peeking Tom, all those things. Here you go, everybody started hating her. Because I had told everybody in school. Oops. Hold up. If this video get 50,000 likes, I will read, that's not 50, 1,000, 1K, and 100,000 views, or how about if this video get 100 views, 12 likes, and I get 2 more subscribers, I'll read my diary out loud. And there's some dark secrets in there. I mean, the darkest, out of the darkest, out of the darkest, out of the darkest. All my story times of when I was in school is in there. And all the bad things I have caught. This one, I'm not eating that. All the bad things I have caught people in school are in there, bro. So if this video get what I said, we're gonna be going through my diary. Okay. Don't I want to go through my diary? Probably. Yeah, should I start doing story times on my channel? To like eat and like do story time. Anyway, y'all, I don't think I can finish this rest. It's 6 more left. I'm gonna give them to my sisters. Because I don't like these. I don't like these type of things anymore. I don't want them anymore. To like throw these things in the trash, and my sisters don't want them. What they probably is gonna want them. I'm gonna give them to them if they do want them, which they probably is. Like I said, gonna want them, but I'm gonna give it to them if they want it, which it probably is. Like I said. Y'all, if y'all like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. If you didn't like it, you still gonna give it a thumbs up. And if this video get what I said, I will go to my diary, and I also will start doing story times on my channel. Okay. I love you guys a lot. Bye.